All right, so about to do something kind of crazy. Well, I don't think it's crazy, but I've been in the hunt for a Windows PC that could keep up with my MacBook. Today, we about to venture off and we about to go into the land of these new Copilot Plus Windows computers. So, follow me on this journey. Oh boy. So we did a thing today, man. Um, yeah, you see it. We got the Lenovo Yoga. This ain't any other yoga though. This is not that. Let's see what we got, man. Oh boy, this is what happened when you try to unbox stuff like dumb early, right? But you forget your unboxing knife because you're just so excited to get your hands in this thing, man. So let's see what we got here, man. Crack this thing open. Yeah, it's ain't any other yoga book though, bro. This is the new one with the Jesus Christ. I'm being trolled by the box. Some don't want me to get into this greatness, right? That's what it is. We got the joint with the new Snapdragon X Elite in there. That's what we got. So let's get this thing open, man. I could have got a Surface Book, but I decided not to get a Surface Book because I want to try something different, right? Off the top. Oh yeah, we got a small footprint for this, man. Very small footprint for this joint, yo. But don't nobody really care about that, right? We care about the peace, the resistance. Let's get up out of here. Carton magic. Nobody care about that. Oh my gosh, this thing is so light, yo. It's ridiculous. Boy, I love yoga books. I really do. They so lightweight and so like, yeah. Um, I, all right. Full disclosure, I decided to jump off a ledge this time and follow the hype of this new Snapdragon X Elite processors, right? I've been looking for a replacement for my MacBook, right? I have been. And I wanted something comparable to what my MacBook had with the M processor. So, with the new ARM-based chip in this computer, I'm hoping to see similar results with because my MacBook Pro was an M1 Pro. It wasn't slow at all, right? But I wanted to get back into the Windows ecosystem. Now I have a Windows desktop. That's cool. But I wanted something portable where I can slap my videos on there, do whatever editing I need to do some photo editing, do some browsing, whatever, right? So got into the hype. Got this puppy right here, man. So let's get this thing open. Ooh. Man. All right. See, we got the Snapdragon X Elite processor in this joint, man. Decided to go with the Elite because why not, right? We got an OLED display on this thing, touchscreen. Obviously, with the new Snapdragon X processors, we got the whole shebang with all the AI features. Do I really care about that? Nah, I'm looking for performance, but Copilot does come in handy, right? So, yeah, let's see what it do, man. Let's get this thing turned on here. See what we got. All right. As far as I/O ports, we're looking a little slim, but we got some I/O ports on here. We got a big grill under the bottom here. I guess that's for the fan, but what we do have here though is we got up firing speakers. So I'm gonna just say on initial boot, man, once I'm getting some juice into this thing, bruh, this screen is amazing. But it's an OLED, so you come to expect that. But, bruh, we about to get into it, man. Okay, now that I have gotten this thing unboxed, got Windows loaded on it, um, yeah, just taking an overall look at this thing, man. It, it's a Lenovo. It's definitely a Yoga Slim for sure. This configuration, I got this one with 512, 16 gigs of memory. Of course, all the Copilot features, the Snapdragon X Elite processor on this one. And we got the 3X OLED display on this one, which is a touchscreen. So, yeah, this sucker is light, man. This thing is paper thin, bro. Like, I don't know if you'll be able to tell how thin that is by looking at the camera right there, but it is a legit, man, this is slim. And again, as far as I/O ports, we got 1, 2, 3 USB-C, and I'm sure 2 of these are Thunderbolt. So we're gonna get into the specs, all that good stuff later. I just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing and an overview of the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7. Yeah, look at that thing, man. Yeah, we got upward firing speakers, folks. So that's a win. Man, this thing is so light, bro. This is bananas. This is absolutely bananas how thin this thing is. But whether it lives up to the hype with the Snapdragon X Elite processor and be able to run the processes that I do on a day-to-day basis will determine if I'm actually going to keep this thing, man. Because I ditched my MacBook Pro, albeit it was an M1 Pro. I got rid of it for this. So is there any turning back? Nah, it's not. But I did that for a reason, because if I knew if I had something that I could like 100% like go back to, I was gonna do that. But with this one, I think I'm in it, bro. I am definitely in it. Whether I keep this one or go get the Surface Book Pro, I don't know. I looked at the Surfaces and yeah, I wanted to try the Yoga Slim. So again, it screams long-lasting battery, 3K OLED display, which is this display, yo, is amazing. I thought the Samsung display on the Galaxy Edge was like the one. This is actually pretty dang close to that one, man. And I've got all the Windows updates and all that good stuff done. So we're gonna run a couple apps. I'm not gonna bore y'all with no damn benchmarking, because there's plenty of that stuff out there online already. But what we're gonna do is real use case. I'm not a gamer, so if you're looking for how many frames per second drop here or there, I ain't got time for that. I don't game, so if you're looking for that, I'm sure it's like 30,000 other videos on YouTube about this Snapdragon X Elite processor, whether it can handle that. I don't think it's gonna do any heavy gaming anyway, because it has a Snapdragon Adreno processor in it. So, I mean, you can do some light gaming, but if they're not built on the ARM architecture, it's not gonna really work out for you. So, if you're looking for that, I ain't got benchmarks. I ain't got none of that. What I do have is this first look at the Yoga Slim 7X here on the set. I'm gonna get out of here, man. I'm gonna go play with this thing and see what I can make it do. See if I can make it blow up. See if I can make these fans scream. I did hear some fan noise. Definitely not like the fan noise that we would get on the X86 chip. Definitely not that. But again, that was during the initial setup. It was installing updates and all that good stuff. So, and it still wasn't loud. So I'm good with that so far, because the other Windows laptops I had recently, yeah, them joints was loud and I just could not deal with it. So we're gonna put it through its paces, man. Stay tuned for more content here on the set from your boy, Money Matt. We're gonna dig deep into this thing, man. If it's trash, I'm gonna let you know. Gone.